Ebusian for ha Ghana 7 TV GH, mesra or like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for
why any tiri say buchi ayakwa honchoma? Why any tiri say buchi ayakwa honchoma?
Me person make come and drink wo na ya na me refi. Who the fuck is Ghana to warn America? Who the fuck are you?
Oh, can be you.
Who do Obika? Nipa kwa kasa na wo can be.
You are talking.
Warning America. Who the fuck are you to tell America what to do?
If you shoot talking.
Who the Ablakwa? What they say? Who the nanya kwasi asem kwa?
Release immediately. Release immediately. With immediate effect.
Meanwhile, no, so you are too bomba Pukuba Ghana. We need Dimrika.
He's not talking for Ghanaians. He's talking for himself. Because we Ghanaians, we don't have any problem with America. In fact, we don't have any problem with what Donald Trump does. We do not have any opinion on it either.
At all. We are on a line.
I was say Caesars. Arbitral letter say I am warning America as who? Are you mad? What board am wanting? Asiama Ghana yet now when ye better baby am yasumuju ya who be warning Donald Trump. Now no that what the visa ban to moso. What the visa ban at to moso. No kwoni mu nyira ye. Nyame aboa no wo yi firimu. Ama ye nuanom emema ne mrantie koje visa na world cup yo ma be hu omo hafa why I was sesa paso why I was sesa ochi a ohu jaso ni nkompu nitwit wanim that say me mama abo so ayo kwase animu abetro letter say I'm warning America bitch who sent you
more fire
who sent you okujeto Ablakwa
more fire
who sent you who sent you Are you speaking for Ghanaians? Selfish, foolish people. When you bicycle, and Timothy say it's all that. We are one in America. You and who? You and who is one in America? Also, you and who? Oh, Sharia, Moto Amunim Quasiasam, Monfa Munkura, some letter. Emlo will be America. Now, men are magic American talk Aquamomo. Some up, but mind your business.
Thank you.
Mind your business. Come and account for the 240 million.
Thank you.
That's what we want to hear. We need chassis say we are running ahead. Me who let them say Romu Jimmy be no see any movie. You and who? Drones. Omu Jimmy be a crown for. You are warning who? A bunch of what? Asia. Do you think you are you talking for Ghanaians? Are you did we send you? Did we send you to write that letter? Who did you consult? How dare you write a letter to one Donald Trump? Is Donald Trump your mate? Because you don't respect anybody, you think Donald Trump is your mate. It is my prayer. So about the homo sa kroma said the abe home and do they then the mabe shake cage when 9. Write another letter from that village to America. You come and meet me here. Foolish people. You don't have respect, eh? When you get up, you come here to borrow money. Who are you to tell your masters what to do?
Thank you.
Asia, move your with your resources. Who are you to tell your masters what to do? Who invited Ghana into that conversation? Who? Foolish people. Who invited Ghana into that conversation? What benefit do we get from Venezuela? Are you people stupid?
Precisely.
Are you foolish? Can't you mind your business? Because you are stealing our money, you think it's all what. Let me see another stupid person from that foolish country writing any letter to warn anybody. In fact, you don't have any right to write any letter to even a baby in America to warn. Wow, poor them. Who made America your mates? Ghana. Who made America your mates? Asia. How can you pick a whole country and involve us in such nonsense? Donald Trump put it for us, so I was say, may the visa ban out to country. So now we need tragedy. Now you all do diplomatic passport. Now ordinary Ghanaians, we are suffering for bullshit we didn't call for ourselves. How does bitch write another letter to America I will tell them all your secrets. You thieves, you come and borrow money from IMF and go and give it to small girls. Foolish people. Write another letter here. How dare you want Donald Trump? Only foolish people. Who invited you in this conversation?
More fire.
If you don't have anything to do, go and lick pussy. Foolish people. If you don't have anything to do, go and lick pussy. Take America out of your mouth. They are better than you. They can fix their country. They have good healthcare system.
More fire.
As soon as you land in this country, you get employment. Write letters on how you employ nurses and doctors. How you employ teachers. Not who took Venezuela. Venezuela, Venezuela. Foolish bitches. You think you can take the whole Ghana and make me a part of and use my name? Why are you embarrassing me? Stupid people. Did you consult me? Did I tell you I am angry at what Donald Trump did? Did I tell you that?
President Afia.
When you get up in the morning, you write stupid letters and involve everybody. You can write on behalf of NDC. Nobody is stopping you. On behalf of Ghanaians, stupid bitch. Think twice. Think twice. Think about immigrants. Think about Ghanaians staying in this country. Stupid bitch. Useless fool. Use your head. How dare you want Donald Trump? Asiamu we are no more diplomatic passports. Now more than enough. Not just ordinary Ghanaian. Yen baba suamu Jimmy no. Ochra mo troleta. Monfa NDC headline. Na montro. Nobody invited you in American issue. Who are you to advise America? Advise yourself. You don't even have common drinking water. Common drinking water. Pipe tree. 3 months. 3 months. 3 months in
the constituency
Queen Mrs. said they should about once in 3 months. Once 3 months as a baby, a baba kupa 3 months.
I can't hear just any true. Say a film so say by for ba. Petrol letter be wanting Donald Trump. Do we have drinking water? Do we have drinking water? After warning them, you come and beg for money. Foolish people.
Excelente.
I said how do we? How does that even involve us?
I don't know.
Different continent, different country, because the devil's workshop is an idle hand. And you don't have
Venezuela no po bisa wo year corona time kura sister if you go for oil no man why almost so money yen sign it. Venezuela because of that cartel guy we intino bra ye go for oil because we were trying to use our Russian connection to get that. O ma yen.
The point is, Obia who says sika woni ho de. Oni obi nya asem na untumi nka bi mana. Ye na wi wani.
Oh.
And then is that not common sense?
Any
will be any asem name for and now quayano and make our quayanim as a mean was a hello and Tigana ya one UK on. Yeah, what to say UK father one in America? Canada and United.
But if you're not going say UK for a Commons, House of Commons, and to question you because almost your Prime Minister and can't they are Donald Trump and and one to man can you know, now Ghana.
You may say what to say UK for can be.
To me, Kebi.
Canada for can be. Hello. Then company for Casadia Ghana, your Frau Hoden. Your Frau Hoden. Table na wa wo twa akonya kwotena so no wote wo mo nwene mo ho e kwan a mo befa so a obi aka na no atu ebi asinyina ye din mi nkwawe TV so a okuja to Ablakwa kwan nie Ghana mo wone wan ko ka be kan mo na wate Wasiafo mo de ti ko ma mo twa letter for ma mo Jimmy no sa wa boda ma hanam ti ko school wate o kwasia no me te he ko school wo Jimmy no me te he ko school mo twa letter for mra na America fo nyina betena se me handle mo pepepe mo Jimmy no ya soma mo Ghana American Venezuela Madura mo hia ne da munim no hwe suwanimu awon hyehyɛ.
Now, sister, the point is that Venezuelans, no, right? Citizens.
And under John Dramani Mahama, I just says, Kanda Bibia crab background 1 year, Debbie and T. Then you see media personalities are now just in few months ago. Now, and the gatekeepers of this country. Watchers of this country. You know. And today, no cry no gate closes. They are no more keeping the gate. Now they are even rather fighting the gatekeepers. And the krumha di na government WhatsApp group for ADD no man me ti be en kasa biu. Na de ba ben ka kire yen. Abre na opposition say a bad habit. Say aduane se wanumu a obekasa tiene government WhatsApp group for any omo maka nyina amafo ame me need ya for e bia appointment e bi so the da payroll so we na o kan wan kan no na ya no akwa koblemu obi eja MPP ba yi see e resources man crofo e kodi ni pa bi sam aso eja e sekremu dak na o se abanasa enti said ya mafo aye din. So next time be MPP ba ben mu so a sa pepe fedin na hemfu nyina agya kasa civil society for nyina no be agya kasa and Crawford prefer to even demand accountability from minority members and Crawford demand accountability from opposition party than the government in power na oje government taxpayer oje taxpayers money and ya kasa ya koton gold fesika bejisika amo minor boka na media for bi agye na mo ne MPP for eko anu show ba akoso yes MPP ni ya okoye ye mane nkasa wo obie na noa ne yaso ne mene obie na noa ne yaso ne mene na me say papa sorry fi show is na kofi e ade ase ma nkasa obie na noa na host ni kura ne mene obie na noa na other panel members no ne ya grip no na me say baby I do no na say na me cry me won say oguso te ho yes ma won kasa sori na ko fie se Ghana o manti asema ya yeti asi na yakoto gold na ya boka $214 million abegu o meiso na ye amount for minority ebisa questions say adenti and for the first time yet to sika hoko ni eboka na host any NDC for akabum na nipa no a o demand accountability no ni ya so ne kon ni ya grip no say ya manen kasa. I'm like wow amanfo didi Dr. Teniedu na kai Dr. Semfo na kai o sisa amanfo edi akwaniaba e wo cast to say the collect edi atrantwie say collect si so edi kom chena de unya so ya MPP ni a why you careful because when you careful na unya se bia no a ebe problem tie so ya MPP ni a we are very very careful na endra me hu video bi on the internet na video no efa a Greek minister ora erikopoku na okwasempa FM iti hona okoye propaganda na ono wagya kuayo no e de ato there is anopa me show videos bi de akiro enne ya she banchi boto 100 Ghana cedis banchi fertilizer boto no ma 100 Ghana cedis ekuafo nya atofo ekuafo adobayire e de gu ho mu nya atofo ekuafo adomo e de gu ho amu nya atofo ekuafo adoburo e de gu ho amu nya atofo ene akuafo boka akuafo yisika atoto nuro abopa ayesei ayefuo menoba ba omo nya nipa nto na erikopoku a oye agric minister no saadie we ehia no afa ono nene wo kwa chire gold for oil gold a board ka omabono waja agric nato ene akuafo hawa omukom ne hawa mu namu no waja eno ato ena wono na chire gold for a fancy gold purchasing program abano na chire na enko community a o say gold purchasing program no enye bawumia ni brainchild eno no enye bawumia ene de bae na ewiase de saa mpanifo se wutwa nkontompo na osafo ayira oda abonten na anopai eya na ede me mpempi ni metai yusu saade because wo hwemu a yenuanom join yusufo akwakoye omo ayibia omo tai omo friend no fact check edi aba hwe se gold purchasing program no omo ko fact check se hwan na ede ebae na mama yenkobo orere kopoku video no na mebo orere kopoku video ni wia na afei mababe chirechiri mu ni nti a anopai orere kopoku ese me wia mesan so ayi enuane a enkrofo adra egun kurase na omunya atofo no anopai meyi di achro mesi ya hye banche fertilizer bottle kese pa no ya hye emma yenya obi a obeto ti akuafo do su akuafo no dem na omusu eti momi enkohwe obi program a oye ne ndra ene agric minister akuafo su a omado no baya omunya atofo de akuafo aboka no na enfa ne ho na o decide say obey propaganda na no pay ye exposing kakra aha ye movement tv aha eye movement in the morning na jujam on movement in the morning na ebay.
They have destroyed the health system, they have destroyed the railway system, they have destroyed our social systems and everything, including energy. Oma destroy no. Digitization drive eba health ministry. Okwa ye bo computer no straight udin aba yare wo ho edru e dia ma medical records na e wo ho. Nti doctor ni nim say wo allergies bi to certain medicines a nya de e de ma wo. Nti no fast track Ghana system na e koye on the map. Kwasi afu ba ya ma be yefu asan kofa food aba. Nuluma diabetes kuru dan na ho ko no kwa komia kuru no e so fa 10 Ghana cedi mra. Wo nya o kuru ko fie.
Ghana cedi se o. 10 Ghana cedi de o fomu.
Uluma wo ye kan ya wo wanti na akoto aba man disi fo no. Ukuru no beti wonan. Ona beti ye kana muka se Ghana fo boa. Ye nim nkofo nkwase ye fo ye nim wom. On record wo ho. Ai cheso omunye opportunity bi aba Ghana konya no so be destroy your mind. 19 good years Accra to Kumasi na ka ni ka bonsa ho. Takura di to Accra ka ni bonsa ho. Wasted 19 years of the PNDC NDC era. The only thing on be idea of Ghana Kroma and say you're a businessman now. You have from the account enclave there, you need to be shot dead. Your companies must be shut down and destroyed. That is their track record in this country. They must say repeat what to me. They have destroyed to me. They have destroyed his companies beyond repair. And on my time Ghana on my time $100 million. They might Ibrahim Mahama so control black voter. Nani brother so in Springfield oil and some free Kevin watching some non-control. Nensan fama bawa rock non-control Ghana minerals near gold in Ghana and I come from Nonko Pimbo Mojaba Matafre. Ubi and Krum gold in you control gold or Ghana Krumwa. I come for a control gold if you have destroyed your lands and your water bodies. Ubi and producing 1 million tons of gold of cocoa. To say less than 700,000 tons of cocoa and the produce. Reason being that farmers are no more getting potable and clean waters to cultivate. You have to buy pure water, bag of pure water to the bushes. And how many farmers got 10 Ghana cedi or ACD to buy a pack of pure water into the bushes? How many of them? And for the first time in our country, Amanfo has taken delight in EJ say cocoa ti okrom betwitwa atoagu no my video abeche Ghana for say cocoa ni empebio ade intra because obi buy and obi mass from 450 Ghana cedis straight to 31 million and I'm promises them will cost 70 million mo buy am anye and I share memu an ebufu no mutwitwa cocoa ni gu cocoa na the backbone of Ghana's economy no under your regime and watch no it is being destroyed the full glow of cameras nothing is happening. Ebenezer Pacho.
Ebenezer, me Pacho, me muti wana wabie. Deden so wachi Pacho wa.
Now, delegate for me.
All right.
I have a word for you, a simple word for you, delegate.